12.
18.
13. What's that? 14. 15. 16. 17. What's that?
18.
18.
No.
19. 20. Very good. How about the mammals? Okay, dali na. Where is the hamster? Dali, where's the hamster? Where is the hamster? Hamster. Yeah, hey, how about the kangaroo? Kangaroo, very good. The sheep. Where's the sheep? Sheep. How about the zebra? Yeah, hey, the tiger. Yeah, very good. How about the raccoon? The donkey. Where's the donkey? The little horse. This side, anak. This side. Oh, this side. Nasaan ang donkey? Donkey. Very good. The beaver. Beaver. Very good. How about the wolf? How about the mountain goat? M. And the goat. Mountain goat. Where is the mountain goat? This one, anak ko. That's the N. Mountain goat. How about the rhinoceros? Very good. The armadillo. Where's the armadillo? Very good. Armadillo. How about the fox? F. The fox. Very good, anak. Fox. How about the skunk? The skunk. S. Skunk. Nasaan ang skunk? Very good. Clap naman. Very good naman ang baby. Oh, how about here? Where's the penguin? Penguin na nakong. Yay, very good. How about the crocodile? Very good. How about the bear? Very good. How about the monkey? Monkey. Yun, monkey. That's the monkey. Very good. How about the owl? Where's the owl? Very good naman. The snake. Anak. Where's the snake? Oh, what's that? Penguin. Snake. S. Snake. Saan ang snake? S. Snake. Very good. How about snake? How about the lizard? Ayan, very good naman. Dito naman tayo na sa aquatic animals. How about the manta ray? M. Manta ray, very good naman. How about the shark? S. Shark. Yan, galing naman. No, whale. Ang whale, whale. Hindi yan, anak. Nautilus yan eh. The whale. Ito. This is the whale. Oh, yan. Yan, whale. How about the turtle? The turtle. Where's the turtle? Turtle. The turtle. Where is the turtle? Nako, ang turtle. Dito na lang tayo. ABC na lang. Dito naman. ABC. Dali, Halika na. Ito. Yan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. Very good. Hindi purple, anak. 7. How about the alphabet? Where is the alphabet? Ito. This one. Dali.
Ay,
Ito ng alphabet.
apa.
A, B, C. A, B, C, A, B, C. Ito. Hanap natin. Jing. A, B, C. Naku, no more. Ito. This one, Ito. Big,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, R, D.
J. Next to J.
K, T, L, M, N, O, P. Q, O, S, T, U, V, Y, X, Y, Z.
Very good naman. Galing naman.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, R, D, T, U, M, N, O, P, Q, O, S, T, U, V, Y, X, Y, Z.
Very good.
Satu, six, four, six, four, eight, nine, ten.
Yay!
Apa?
Ano yan, nak? What's that? Wow, galing naman ng baby. Dali. Galing naman ng baby ko. Ang galing naman. No. Ay! Pagalit si ate rin.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, R, D, O, M, N, O, P, Q, O, S, T, U, V, Y, X, Z.
Yay! Clap. Very good.
Satu,
1,
six, four, five, six, eight, nine,
9, 10.
ten.
Very good, nak. Here naman. Dito naman. Dito tayo sa shape. Dali. Nasan yung square? Dali na, nak. Square. Nak. Where's the square?